The future of leadership in Nairobi is in limbo following the suspension of the February 18th by-election by the High Court. Sonko had filed a petition that sought to stop IEBC from going ahead with the by-election until his case is determined, with questions rising on what will happen after 60 days given by the Constitution for the same lapses.
The case is still subsisting in court, and therefore upon a full determination as to the legality or otherwise, then the court will determine as to whether then election should be held. But as matters stand, there can't be election within 60 days in Nairobi.
But even before the dust settles over the suspension of the Nairobi gubernatorial by-election, a petitioner, Peter Agoro, who had in January filed an injunction that halted the vetting of Deputy Governor nominee Anne Mwenda, on Monday 4th, filed a request that sought to withdraw his application. This further throwing the city and the Sonko succession battle into more confusion.
Mike Mbuvi Sonko made the appointment when he had been barred by the trial court in the anti-corruption court from discharging responsibilities in his capacity as governor. The argument was that once he was disabled from discharging his responsibilities as governor, it meant therefore that as a consequence he could not then appoint a gazette for vetting one and for the position of deputy governor.
The petitioner's withdrawal, however, will have to be subjected to a review of the court owing to the matter being of public interest. Withdrawal, however, drawing mixed reactions owing to its timing and the Nairobi control power games.
As to whether the events have moved far away enough to therefore disable her from being vetted is the question that ought to be determined probably.
IEBC, which was a respondent on the other hand, is yet to officially announce the suspension of the by-election, despite a requirement by the Constitution which mandates the election body to make announcements to the public on matters of public interest.
Si jukumu la mwananchi kujitafutia ujumbe huo, ni jukumu la IEBC kutangaza kiwaziwazi kwa mwananchi, hususan kwa sababu ya kipengele cha 36 cha katiba.
Even more intriguing will be how the Nairobi politics will play out in days to come, as former Governor Ferdinand Waititu has also sued IEBC for blocking his candidature. Martin Opio, K24 TV.